New arrival this morning. Now do your research. The way we've priced this car, it's a Land Rover Defender 90. It's an S model 3 litre diesel in white, 22-inch urban wheels, black side steps, spoiler, 16,000 miles. It is the best priced car in the country, but it looks tremendous as well because of the colour, the wheels, the steps, the mud flaps. It's got that boot spoiler, which I'll show you. Black badging, half leather, heated seats, surround camera, digital cockpit. It's got great spec. It looks fantastic. It's still got 12 months Land Rover warranty, and it's just a fantastically well-priced 90. On top of it having the black badges and the inserts, another key feature, if you look at the arches, it's got the extended arches as well. So just makes it look that little bit more sporty, a little bit wider. They fill them arches as opposed to the tucked in ones. You've then got the 22-inch urban wheels there, finished in matte black. Again, transform the look of the car. You've got your mud flaps, you've got the fixed side steps in black, privacy glass, and then from the rear, again, three little things there. The spoiler, the spare wheel cover in gloss black, and the mud flaps all sets the car off fantastically well. It's got a detachable tow bar as well. So if I just pop the boot open, it's tucked just under there. And then you can drop them seats down if you wish as well. Press them too. If you need a little bit more space, these are on little, like that. You've got a split folding seat in the back. Boot space on a 90, nowhere near as big as a 110, but the car's not as big, and that's reflected in the price and everything with them as well. But like I said, I just think it's priced right. It looks superb because of the spec, and it's a real fantastic buy for somebody. Moving on inside. So the car's an S model, but it's still got really tremendous spec. Little button on there, keyless entry. And then we've got half leather and this like rugged material they put, which is really well wearing. Digital cockpit, the car's done 16,416 miles. You've got cruise control, automatic lights, automatic wipers, LED lights at the front. Front and rear heated screens, and if I just go into the centre, show you, so you've got heated seats, driver and passenger, you've got full surround camera system, and it's got tow and assist as well with having the detachable tow bar. Back into the main menu, and then you've got your wireless Apple CarPlay, your digital climate control, your navigation, Bluetooth, multimedia, all the things you would want. Very comfortable seating position. It's got this big centre armrest with storage. Just a real good car for the money. And I've said it, it's all about the price with this car. We've priced it on the money. Wheel arch extensions, urban wheels, spoiler, all them features. It's going live on the website. Give me a call. Thank you for watching.